guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we're gonna do unboxing. By the way, today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday fashion vlog. So tara guys, let's start. First thing that I'm gonna do the unboxing is this bag that my coworker gave it to me this morning after work because she went to New York. So this is my gift from here, and let's see what she has. And this one, guys, I love this. It's a tote bag. Look at that. It says New York. So let's see this one. Oh, it's totally brand new. I don't even know how to open. So wow guys, this is the one that I have from here. And then the second one actually is this sweatshirt. It's supposed to be, when I go shopping, I saw it this. It's a very cute one. And this is for Christmas. So it's, see here is sweet holiday vibes. So, and I love the color also. It's a color peach. It's my birthstone color. Look at that. I love it. And this one is, the brand is the World of Strawberry Shortcake. So thank you. I just threw that. And this one, guys, is, oh, let's do this first. Look at this little one. I'm just gonna put it there. I even rip it out the bag. So here it's already falls, but it's kind of cold. So now I'm preparing for my winter. And this one is, the brand is RBK Live Live Active. And actually guys, I get this 25% off. So this one is 98 but minus 25% off. This is the one, guys. So I'll put everything here in my recliner. And then this is so funny, guys. It's a huge bag that my friend gave it to me. So let's see what is inside of this big bag. So it's, see here, happy birthday. So this is it. Oh wow, that's cool. This look like ice. Sorry, I rip it up. So I'm just gonna put it there. And oh wow, it's a jacket. I love it. So I'm ready for the winter. Because actually guys, it's cold here now. So especially where I live. So Land's End. Let's see. Yeah, it's a Land's End, and also is a size small. Look at that. I love it. I love this jacket. Actually, guys, mostly of my winter jacket is from here. Okay, and then this one, guys, I'm gonna leave it this last because I think I know that one. I ordered these boxes. So this one, guys, is, let's see what is in the, what is gonna be here. And just put this one here for that. It's a dress, guys. I forget who gave it this to me. And this one one is, hold on. Oh guys, is the Studio One. The brand is Studio One. Look at that. And it's so nice. It's a dress. So I like it. This is actually for the spring dress. Oh no, it's not a spring, falls, because look at the color. I love the color also. And also the materials is very nice. So this one guys, let's open this box. I know I ordered this, but I don't remember what is it. Because some I order and because I'm preparing that I'm gonna go to Philippines soon. So I've been ordering online. Sorry, I just have a knife here. OMG, where can I read it out? Hopefully I remember her. Oh, this is a napkin holder. Because on December, guys, we have a party here in our house. And actually, I'm preparing for the party. So hopefully, they come everything before the party. Because I ordered some for the party. Oh, this is cool. That's nice. So, let's see. Oh, this is I like. So, I'm gonna assemble this later and I will show it to you guys. And I have this, another one, so let's open this one. I think this one is this. So this one guys is for my Christmas party here, upcoming also by December. As I believe is a first week of December. Oh, this is cool. This is the one that I ordered. See? This one, it's a spoon, forks, and knives. This is for the table. And also there's have a design in here. I love it. Oh wow. So let's see what I'm gonna have here, because I still have some that upcoming, but I don't know when they're gonna come. Hopefully they will come before my party. Because last year they come after my party. That's why sometimes I don't like to order online. Maybe it's the same because as I believe is I ordered 6 pieces. Because we have 2. That's hard to open. Oh, okay. Oh yes, it's the same guys. For 6 tables. them it's all the same. Oh, okay guys, it's the same. So by the way guys, I just came back from work, and after that I did the filming for my Wednesday fashion vlog. So actually this is the one that I wear from my work. This is my Michael Kors top and 9 waist pants. So, and of course my shoes is in my office at work. So let's start guys. I'm gonna wear the one that I showed it to you earlier for my unboxing. So this is the holiday sweatshirt. If you notice, it says there sweet holiday vibes. So I picked the extra small one, but it look like it still a little bit big, but that's fine. So because it's gonna be winter here soon. So this is the one guys. I love it. I love the colors. Also the colors is peach, is my bird stone color. So let's try the another one. And here's the winter jacket. I love it. It is size small. So I love this guys. My friend Janet is always give me a gift for a winter jacket. Actually, I believe I have 5 jackets, winter jackets from here. So maybe next time I will give you my collection for jackets from here. So this is the one guys. I love it. See? Ready for the winter. And here's my sweatshirt and pants. I like it. It's very comfortable. So ready to go travel. Maybe I'm gonna wear this when we go to Las Vegas for our annual Thanksgiving. We always celebrate Thanksgiving in Las Vegas. So let's see. Hopefully we're going. And guys, I will show you the bag also that my friend buy me from New York. So I like it. It's like a fashion. So I might wear this in my work next month because I love it. So I could be like this, like that. It's supposed to be is a backpack for this attire, but I'm just you know. Here we come guys. Last but not the least, this is the dress that I have. I love it. It's so comfy. Look at this material. The material, it's so nice. So actually I'm thinking this already to wear because we're gonna attend at the wedding. So I'm not really sure, but I love it. It's very comfy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it my video. By the way, last week I did not upload my video for my Monday video for the food restaurant and what we cook here in our house. And then last Wednesday I did not do also upload for my unboxing, and Friday for my travel due to very schedule, and we have some party to attend, plus it's my birthday month. So actually you're gonna see all of my pictures from my birthday celebration in my YouTube and also in my Facebook at Lotus Roy Salon. So, and also guys, by the way, I will promote again. Monday vlog is about the restaurant food and whatever the food that we make it here in our house, because we cook only once a week. And Wednesday is for my fashion vlog about when I go shopping and some friends that I received the gift, or from my husband when they are filming. And in the Friday vlog is about for my travels, hotels, and places that we've been. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it my unboxing. See you soon.